Hey everyone, welcome back to PrimeView. Today we're exploring Kiryat Moshe, a neighborhood right at the entrance to Jerusalem. It's one of the most convenient areas to live in, surrounded by new developments, great access to transportation, and strong investment potential. Let's take a walk and see what real estate look like here in 2025. As you see, you have new building next to old buildings. Of course, the old buildings will be reconstruction. It's a matter of time. Here I'm standing close to the Rova 1 buildings. So, for example, in this tall building, I see advertisement, second floor, 80 square meters, 3 rooms. Okay, in Israel, it's we count all the rooms, not just the bedrooms. So, 3 rooms, it's all the rooms. So it cost 3.6 million shekels. Today, $1 equals 3.27 shekels equals $1. New building coming up this area. It's very close to the central bus station, guys. It's very close to the light train. You can get everywhere. Guys, 20 minutes in the train and you in the airport. It's very, very comfortable area. So you have older homes cheaper, the new ones more expensive. So let's talk prices. As of late 2025, the average apartment in Kiryat Moshe sells for around 4.3 million, which is roughly 1.3 million dollars. But a smaller 3-bedroom apartments can start, 3 rooms can start from around 3.2 million shekels, or just under $900,000. Prices here have been rising because of the location close to the light rail and the city entrance, which is a huge plus for both residents and investors. The population here is pretty diverse, mostly modern religious families, young professionals, and students who study nearby. It's 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 considered a quiet, safe, and very central neighborhood. For families, it's a great balance between accessibility and the peaceful lifestyle. For investors, it's a strategic spot because renter demand here is a strong year round. In recent years, this whole area has become a major development zone. New towers, renewal projects, and luxury apartments are popping up everywhere. With the new entrance to the city project and the light rail extension, this neighborhood is literally transforming. Property values are expected to keep growing over the next few years. So guys, we saw a small area of Kiryat Moshe. It's a big neighborhood. That's it for today's real estate walk here in Kiryat Moshe, Jerusalem. It's a neighborhood that perfectly combines accessibility, urban growth, and local charm. Thanks for watching PrimeView. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tour around another beautiful part of Jerusalem.